I am really excited about this bag. This is a Tumi Shaw backpack. And there are not a lot of videos on this bag. Zappos, or actually maybe Tumi put out a video on it. But this is the first time that I'm really seeing it up close. And I would like to show it to you. So this is the Tumi Shaw with some monogramming. And there should be a luggage tag around here somewhere. Yep, right here, luggage tag, monogramming. So let's move this a little bit so you can really see it. There we go. All right. So let me give you a kind of a close-up look of what to expect when you get a bag like this. So it's got like a leathery kind of, well, it is leather finish. And I thought that the whole bottom was leather, but it's not. It's only here, here, and here. There's a kind of a air hole here, I guess. Yep, air hole, water hole. Not sure what that is, but it's there. And this pocket here is actually really deep. I bet this Yeti cup here will fit right in it. I'd never do that, but that's how big it is, to give you an idea. Pretty big. So I'm pretty sure they probably want you to put a water bottle in there. I think I might use this area for all my power cords and stuff, but you know, it's a great size. This front pocket is also pretty good size, and there's some kind of key clip in here. Yep, that's pretty nice. Hold your keys. It's got Tumi written on it. And then there's a pocket in here. It looks like two pen things, right here and right here. And then a pocket and another pocket. Oh, this is just a little baby pocket. And then it's got the serial number on a metal, that's actually a metal plate right there. And this material is some kind of, it's smooth, but it's smooth to the touch, but you can physically see that waffle print. So that's kind of different. Over here, we've got another pocket, and they are not shy about the stuffing. No wonder it's so huge. This pocket, I can put my whole hand in. So good sized pocket there. These zippers are really strong. I mean, they're thick, nice and thick. Right here, we've got, you guessed it, more stuffing. And this pocket, just about my fingers fit in. So I have no idea what I'll put in these side pockets. But that's what you get with this model: medium, small, and large, and then the front accessory pocket with some stuff in it. So what they changed on this model was this zipper here, right here. It only was from here to here on the old model, right here. And I can see how you could hardly even stick your hand in there. So they ran it all the way to the edge, and that was really smart. And this pocket has kind of a velvety, I don't know if I would, there we go. I don't know if I would put my sunglasses in there because it seems a little too tight, but that's what it feels like the intention was. It's a velvety kind of stuff. So where the name monogram is actually leather on metal. I'm sure you can see that. This silver part here, that is probably aluminum or something, but it is actual metal. Okay, let's see see how this opens up. So this will zip all the way down. So far, there is nothing I don't like. This is a huge compartment. Nice big compartment. There's a pocket in the front here, right here. And that pocket has some kind of consumer services pocket. I can put my whole hand in it. And then there's two more smaller pockets right here, you know, reading glasses, something like that. Two more smaller pockets. And then we have another zipper right here. And that goes all the way to the bottom of the bag. Nice and big. And this is kind of heavier. You can tell that the outside material is weighting it down. Oh, here's another pocket right here. And that is nylon as opposed to this Alcantara velvety stuff. This is very flimsy. You know, this is just a very thin, I'm sure it's extremely strong, but very thin nylon for this pocket. Okay, now the back here. So two more zippers. And what do we have here? So we've got, wow. So this would be, you know, your laptop area right here. Right here. A laptop, iPad, you know, Surface Pro, for instance. Boom, right in there. So I'm going to take that out because I will forget it's in there and drop it. But that is a great space for the laptop. But then they've kind of geniusly made this other space, which is literally almost as big. Actually, it's bigger than this front space. So you got the front. It's just narrower. It's just as deep, but the front is narrower and the back is really the full width of the backpack. And then there's this pocket also. So that is the back side pocket. There's a little, I can't read it without my glasses. Since 1975, Tumi, blah, blah, blah. So a little story right here. Stories are always important. Again, this appears to be leather. And then the back side here, you've got very well padded. We have something going on right here. Not sure what this is, but I can stick my hand all the way in it. So this is not a zippered, oh no, my hand's stuck. Oh, Jesus. So not zippered. I have no idea. Oh, it's magnet. There we go. Magnet closed. I really don't know what you'd put in there, but it's a magnetically closed pocket, so that's kind of neat. And then this I love. I wish my other backpack had this. It is the sleeve that you can put it down on your luggage, so you don't have to backpack it around the airport. I think that's pretty smart. A little piece of leather here for probably its only purpose is to cover the two seams. Kind of a nice little accent piece. This doesn't look incredibly strong right here, but my bet is it's plenty strong enough. And up here, this also, it's stitched in there. I mean, it's definitely thick, but you know, you don't have like this zigzag crazy stitching that you have on some of these other backpacks. This material appears to be vented foam. You know, they claim to be cool, but none of them are really that cool, depending on the outside temperature. And this color is, I'm gonna have to look it up. It starts with an A. Maybe it's on the invoice. All right, let's see here. So the color is called Shaw Deluxe Brief. There is no color. Monogramming stuff, 6 pounds, which it is not 6 pounds, but that was the ship weight. Well, you can look it up yourself. It starts with an A, and It's actually really the only color that it comes in. And I think it used to come in black, but it doesn't any longer. Here's the luggage tag, which I had monogrammed also. And to tell you the truth, I'm just going to take this off and put it on my actual luggage, because generally I carry this bag, or I will be carrying this bag on the plane. So anyway, I guarantee you this is the closest up view of this bag that you'll see on YouTube, because I searched and searched before I pulled the trigger. And I have to say, I am not disappointed. The material is like a waxed canvas, but you know, sometimes waxed canvas gives you the markings when you rub your fingernail on it, and this does not. So it is a very heavy-duty, durable type of canvas. Combined with the leather and the heavy-duty zippers, I'm really pleased. I am pleasantly surprised. Because generally when I get these bags, there's something about them that I immediately say to myself, yeah, I don't like that bag, or I don't like this thing about this bag. And this one, so far out of the box, I'm really liking it. So the true test will be loading my stuff in it and seeing how I like it then. But so far so good. Thanks for watching. Hope this was of value to you, and hope helps you make a purchase decision if this is a bag that you might be interested in. Anyway, please subscribe. I post new videos all the time. Thanks for watching.